How to fix sound coming from only one side of your headset. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video by App Hacks, I will teach you guys how you can fix your sound coming from only one set of your headset. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, head over to System, and after you're on System, head over to Sound. Now, after you're on your sound, you will see the output section. Under output section, you will see mono audio. Now there you will see that mono audio combines your left and right audio channels into one. Now all you need to do here is simply turn this off. After you turn this off, check if the problem still persists, and if it still persists, this is how you fix it. Now what you will need to do is open up your control panel. So simply search for your control panel. After you search for your control panel, you will see hardware and sound. Head over to hardware and sound and you should see the sound option. Tap on sound. Now after you tap on sound, you will see your speakers. Simply select your speakers, whichever is applicable here. And after you're on speakers, simply head over to levels. Now it's right besides general. And after you're on level, you will see balance. Tap on balance and now make sure your left and right is set to balance. Now make sure that one is not less than the other and make sure that they both match. After you do that, tap on OK, tap on apply, and then again tap on OK again, and you should be good to go. Now the final thing that you can do is restart your device, and that is how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.